and this LED, the first one will be light on continuously, and hit second it will scroll to second, third, one, off, on, first, 2, 3, off, and this is reset off. So this is the functioning of the 4 buttons, and so this main circuit board works. Now turn to this is remote control, this is the infrared emitter, and main circuit board there is the receiver, IR receiver. So I point to it. Here I introduce this is an encoding IC. It's also the Hotek brand, and here is the spec sheet XT12A, and this is it should be this is 18 pins. And here is the pulse. Okay, anyway, 18 pins IC. There are 4 key buttons corresponding to those ones on the main board, and this circuit includes the crystal and some resistor and capacitor and transistor to power up this infrared LED. So I hit the number 1 button here, see what will goes on. Okay, number 2 is scoping this LED. 3 off, 1, 2, 3. Okay, hit the first button, will off. Hit this button and hit the third button, light up this LED. Hit the 4th button. I need to reset it. Hit the 4th button. It will show this 4 LED. So it seems this emitting circuits also work properly. What I want to investigate is this emitting circuits, and I want to use it in my Arduino. I don't want to use this type of already off the shelf one. I want to make my own. I want to know all the coding and coding information, and at that time of my work on it, I fully understand how it works. And nowadays there are many wireless remove, control, emitter and receiver. I've used some 300 something megahertz or 400 something megahertz emitter and receiver circuits. They are built very small, I mean the transmitter, and also I see there's some 2.4 gigahertz emitter circuits also build this in a very small footprints, I can use it, but what I consider is the transmitting circuits will be used on my sensing machines or routers, and there is interference from the stepper motors. I don't know what what degrees of the interferences of the 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Anyway, I want to use infrared because it's immune from those interference, and also it don't need a wire antennas. I just use a small size LED, or not LED, emitter LED. I can do all the things, and if I can visualize for this assembly coding, assembly programs that I made this before, I can do it in C language and in the Ardunio environment. And if this IC has a small footprint one or surface mounted format, I will still use this IC, encoding IC, or I will choose another brand, and using back this IC, I can, if I do understand all these codings, then I will transplant it into C languages or in Arduino environments easily. At that times, I use this MCU. I think is not popular nowadays. It's only one-time program. I need to debug it thoroughly in the debuggers and the IDE and the debuggers, and then I will program it on it. If there is something wrong or minus mistakes, I need to throw away one piece this MCU and program it again at that time. And that's for all now. And if you liked this video, please thumb up or subscribe. Thank you for your watching.